Good morning, everyone. Dear children, I hope you stay home, stay safe. You know why we are locked in the home and the whole world locked down in the previous month? Yes, because of COVID 19. Means coronavirus disease. It found in the year 2019. So we called COVID 19. You know the proverb health is wealth. Now let us study about the lesson healthy life. Here observe the pictures healthy life. What are the things are useful to our daily life when we do the daily life in the healthy life? What is health and what is life? Just you observe these pictures here. What are the things we should do for the health and healthy life? Here they are the children are running. She is doing some exercises and some fruits are here. Here, what is healthy life? Exercise regularly, eat healthy, reduce stress, drink plenty of water. These are the things. And eat more fruits, exercise, drink more water, read inspirational books, meditation. Here, this is the meditation, walk more, eat well, peace of mind, drink more water. These are the helpful to our healthy life. Here observe, this is yoga. These are the pictures of yoga. So, what is healthy life? Just we know. Here, this lesson by the author Pedro Pablo Sacristan. About the author is Pedro Pablo Sacristan, his name, and the occupation is Spanish author. Then his background is the author was born in Madrid, Spain. He was the second among six children. He graduated in aeronautical engineering but left the field in order to pursue his passion for writing. And our other works are here Pedro's Fables, published in 2013, Pedro's Christmas Fables for Kids, published in 2013. Observe the lesson Healthy Life. Before that, you know the lesson. Here, the name of the author or the writer Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. All of you keep your finger on the line where the cursor is moving. Okay. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing, and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good moods. All this made one of the witches furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it would lose the desires to live. So that night, all the witches gathered in the forest. They all needed to put all their energy to make the potion, which would have a powerful spell on people. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. As a result, there was a big explosion. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. So observe the meaning of the lesson now. Many years ago, long ago, everyone was strong and healthy. In the ancient era, that is called many years ago means, or the ancient era, either the 100 years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing and leaping about. They did these exercises. But nowadays, we don't have the physical exercises. Always the children are playing with the gadgets. Means those video games, either they play in the mobile games and like that. And on those days, they were like it to are enjoyed with walking, running, playing, and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children, not only the children or not only the adults, both were full of joy and were in good moods. Nowadays, we don't have the good moods, we are in the bad mood, means stress everywhere. We don't have the good moods. So, this is the situation in the previous era, either the long years ago. All this made one of the witches furious. Now you know just you watch the year witch. This is called witch. Witch means hey is like a devil. See the picture here. Here this is called witch. The witches furious, angry. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. It is like a drink. They all together they called the witches. Observe here one witch, furious witch, called the other witches here. Other three witches. Here one witch had a book, and they are preparing the air potion, air liquid, just like a poisonous liquid. They are preparing. Here that witch called and suggested that all the witches too should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it would lose the desire to live. One who drinks that potion, he doesn't want to live on the earth. So that night all the witches gathered in the forest. Already you observed the picture. They gathered in the forest. They all needed to put all their energy to make the potion. Potion means a liquid with healing or magical poisonous properties. That is called potion. They all need to put all their energy to make the potion, which would have a powerful spell on people. Here powerful spell means that is called incantation. Incantation means mantra. Spell means powerful. Here observe the word powerful. Spell means incantation, either mantra. The all the witches do the witchcraft. Witchcraft means mata. We called mata, witchcraft. All their powerful spell on people during the collection of energy. All the witches they all are put the energy to the potion to collect the energy. One of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words when they are incantation of the that what are those things. Already that picture, that witch had a book. In that book they are chanting, either they are the incantation, either spell, powerful spell. Uttering the words, he made the one which has made a mistake. As a result, there was a big explosion. There was a big explosion. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. The forest was destroyed. So, then here, as the result, after that, they turned into a tiny creatures like James. Afterwards, here they are trapped in the bottle. Afterwards, we will observe it in the next para. Okay. Now let us study about the some grammar points from that lesson. Opposite words or antonyms. Another word for the opposite word is antonym. Here, observe healthy, unhealthy. In your text, the word is there. Healthy. First title of the lesson is healthy, unhealthy. Life, healthy life, life, death. Ago, many years ago, ahead. Ago means hinde, ahead, munde. Strong, weak, strong, weak. Love, hate, love, hate. Enjoy, suffer, enjoy, suffer. Clear, unclear. Explosion means ಸ್ಫೋಟ. ಸ್ಲಂಪ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕುಸಿತ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಷನ್, ಸ್ಲಂಪ್. ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್, ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್, ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್, ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್. Powerful, powerless. Observe here, this is full, powerful, not full, full. Here less. These type of words are called suffix. After this is the main word, the root word. After we add the another words like this, that is called suffix. Powerful, full is the suffix. Less is also called suffix. Here also healthy, why it is the suffix, ed is the suffix, like that. Okay. Now some homework activity to you. Make it the homework. Identify the action words and uncountable nouns from the lesson. Identify the action words and uncountable from the lesson. That is in your textbook. This is the grammar points in your textbook. You should complete it in your HW. Thank you.